Makan nggak?
Nah, makan lah. Iya.
Ini rasa.
Good afternoon. Now it's 12:30. -2 degrees. It is snowing right now. Today we will be heading towards the Otaru area, 1.5 hours away. We are now in Otaru. The hardest part is to not let the snow inside your eyes, inside my eyes and inside my nose. We are now walking to the stained glass museum, but they got distracted. Teriyaki. I don't know if you guys can see, but outside is snowing quite heavy. We stopped by at a tea shop. This is hot green tea. It's black sesame.
Mana kopi?
This one is, I think it's red bean.
Tadi sama kan?
Itu minuman. Itu apa tuh?
Makan kopi.
Ini apa? The snow is getting heavier. Oh my god. It's getting heavy. Jangan lawan arah dong. Oh, why?
Ya tambah jauh nggak bisa. Langsung terus aja. Jauh jangan sih.
It's snowstorm. And they're all cold. Umbrella is not working. My dad took my shawl. Mom is still here for picture while we are all freezing and fighting for our life. Free ice on my beard.
Saya patah ini. Bisa dong.
Trying to get a nice picture. I feel like I can use a shampoo right now because my hair is drenched. My bag is filled with snow. That's where we're going. I am hiding behind a pillar because the snow is just crazy. That happened so many times already, but he's still trying so hard to use the umbrella. We are now heading to the stained glass museum. We just finished our stained glass museum tour. We're going to another museum. It's a music box museum. It's very pretty for you to just walk here. Another drama. We walked like 10 minutes away from the museum. My mom left her beanie in the toilet. So here we are. Here we are, back at the museum. Looking for her beanie. Beanie is saved. Hey! feel my ears, my lips as well. Oh, I cannot feel both of them. One? One.
Okay. Over there.
Here.
失礼します。ありがとうございます。
Bisa kan pakai kuota. Keren. Kita beli dua jadi.
If you like cheese, come here. It's not too sweet. The cream is light. I feel like you can eat more than one slice. We are at the Music Box Museum. Behind me is the stained glass museum. This is the famous Otaru clock. The stained glass is very beautiful. It's 3-level museum and there's a lot of antique music box. It's so beautiful. If you guys ever come here, please do visit it. It's free and yeah, it's so pretty. The road here is quite slippery. We are now just walking around the street. Now it's only 4:30, but it's quite dark. It is -5 degrees. Also, if you decide to come to this area, there's a lot of souvenir stores like at the side. I think they're famous for their glass work. Oh, they also have like character stores. I saw Snoopy Village and I think Hello Kitty. So this is very interesting. As you can see that they have hole here, but it's actually a hole to put in ice, and so that when you put in the liquid and you put ice, it keeps the drink chill, but it won't dilute your drinks. Wow, so thoughtful. So cute. We are looking at a Japan handmade chopstick store. Thank you. My brother is frying chicken. Tastes interesting, tastes like cornet. Let's try chicken. Chicken. Also, it's just like a karage. I'm buying hot green tea and it's like my favorite onigiri. It's so nice. We found like a Chinese dumpling shop. We are now taking our bus back. That is going to be the end of today's vlog. See you tomorrow. Do have somebody. The road is slippery.